Okay, so today I have the structure of proline, the amino acid proline. Now this is actually a fairly unusual amino acid. Let's look here. We have an alpha carbon, and here's the carboxylic acid, and then the amine is over on this side. Now this is protonated right now, so we're, depending on the physiological pH. Now if we kind of trace the alpha carbon, you'll notice that the side chain is connected back to its amine, right? And so it forms a pyrrolidine ring. And so that means that the side chain loops back onto its own nitrogen. This is actually very important for protein structure, because the ring structure actually limits the backbone flexibility. Proline often appears in beta turns and loop regions, and so it also breaks alpha helices, so it tends to be a helix breaker, not a helix promoter. And so that can have significant implications on the structure of proline. It's also essential for its collagen instability, so the side chain can be protonated with a hydroxyl. This is actually very important because then it forms hydroxyproline, and that's an important structure of collagen. And collagen, of course, is very important for your own body structure because that gives your body all of its connective tissue, right? Now, hydroxyproline, that involves an enzyme that depends on vitamin C. So if you don't have vitamin C, you have a disease called scurvy, and your enzyme is incapable of hydroxylating proline. So that can have a big impact. They used to call sailors limey because they would eat a lot of citrus to give themselves enough vitamin C, or else their hair would fall out, their teeth would fall out, and that's scurvy, right? Proline also has cis transIsomerization that also regulates protein folding. So switching between the cis and trans conformers, proline usually adopts cis, but switching between them is kind of slow, and that's often rate limiting in protein folding. So we have specialized enzymes such as peptidyl isomerases, and these accelerate that cis transisomerization. And so that makes proline a key player in protein folding dynamics and chaperone assistant folding. So that is the amino acid proline.